everyone, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Today I'm here in Union City. There's a very famous food truck. It's called Ahogadas. I don't know exactly how to pronounce, but this food truck is very famous. They have a lot of customers and coming local or some other place. They find out their place and they come to order the food. This Spanish or Mexican food. Today, there's a menu. They have a different kind of Mexican food. Probably I go ask the cooks and they gonna cook for me. I gonna order the food. Please stay with us to end of the video. Thanks for your time. How you doing, guys? Okay, this is sweet or sour?
Sí, es agua de Jamaica que se cuece la base, se hace el agua de Jamaica, una hierba.
Okay.
Y este es de horchata, agua de horchata.
Ochapa.
Horchata.
Ochapa.
Horchata.
Okay. Ochapa. I don't know what's exactly inside. Probably I'm gonna ask what's inside. I'm gonna test. And this is also drink. Burritos. There's ice, water, everything. There's also cookie. There are different kind of cookie here. Good. Also, we have a good place here to see. There's a different kind of sauce, and you can see it and taste the food. How long you guys have this food truck? How long you doing this business? No, so okay. Take the Spanish. How long you guys doing food truck?
Sí, o sea, invitamos a la gente que venga a probar los tradicionales platos de Guadalajara, la comida de Guadalajara, buen sazón, buena salsa, buena limpieza, todo para que venga la gente.
Okay.
Vengan y las pueden ver.
Okay. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Pedro.
Pedro.
Papá de.
Papá de.
Sí, papá de.
Okay, good.
Mi esposa.
Esposa.
Sí.
Okay.
Good. Familia.
Oh, the whole family, yeah?
Sí,
awesome.
Familia, sí.
Great.
Sabrosa la comida.
Awesome. You have a generator here and turn on food truck. This is the food number. Probably they are go to city. Oh.
Tacos de barbacoa. Quesadillas. Tacos de barbacoa.
Taco barbacoa. Okay.
Muy sabroso.
Okay. Awesome. Where are you from?
Sí.
Where are you from originally? Where you come from? Are you from Mexico or which country?
Sí, somos de Guadalajara, ¿sabes?
Guadalajara?
Guadalajara.
Probably that's okay. So and now the cook is busy. I'm gonna ask them to cook for me a couple different dishes. Let's see what they have. Okay. How are you, brother?
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. What's your name?
Orlando.
Orlando?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Orlando.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you, brother. I'm from YouTube channel Coffee with Ali. I'm gonna test today your food truck dishes. What do you guys have veggie for us? I want to cook veggie for me, whatever you have it.
I have a veggie quesadilla.
Veggie quesadilla?
Veggie quesadilla.
Okay.
The more popular is torta ahogada.
Torta ahogada.
Pork.
Okay.
Bread.
For me, you make veggie. Burrito veggie.
Okay.
Also, what else do you have for veggie, whatever you have it?
I have veggie quesadilla.
Awesome. Okay.
Burrito.
Okay. Can I come inside and you cook for me, please?
Yeah,
Thank you. He's a very cool guy and he allowed me to go inside the food truck and they're gonna cook for me. Let's go inside. Now I got inside the kitchen and they're gonna cook me the quesadilla and bread. Wow! Very clean. Everything is very professional. There's every kind of veggie. Wow! Amazing! Great service, man. Thank you. Could you start cooking for me quesadilla and veggie burrito, please? And explain me how is it, how's cooking?
Let me take the tortilla.
Okay, thank you. It's called tortilla, yeah?
Yeah. Cilantro.
Cilantro.
Sugar.
Okay.
Lettuce.
Okay. lettuce. Okay.
Let me.
Okay. 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 And again, there's sauce here, different kind of sauce.
Lechuga,
Okay.
crema, sour cream.
Sour cream.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. The
You like
big
it more
burrito. Yeah. Look at this.
Queso.
Oh.
You like your only cheese or
Everything.
everything?
Quesadilla, everything. Not too much spices, medium size spicy. Yeah. Not too chili. Yeah. Avocado. Where are you from?
Mexico.
How long you doing this business here?
5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
Great experience, man. That way everything is perfect. My mouth is watering. Look at this.
Here.
Awesome. This is quesadilla, yeah? My food is ready. Let's going to test beans, yeah. Guys, times for test the burrito and quesadilla. The both of the veggie. It looks so nice decoration. And let's start how test it. How does it taste? Really delicious, guys. Wow. Amazing. Look at the inside. It's just so big. To be honest, like, wow. So the burrito is inside cheesy. It's you feel like all kind of veggie is in your mouth, showing. You feel every kind of veggie. That's so tasty. Wow. If you guys are around Fremont, come test the burrito. Oh, so look at this. Look at this. What's inside this? Barbacoa. Okay. 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 Awesome. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Let's test the quesadilla. Time for quesadilla. Look at this. Look at the quesadilla. Let's try it. Put a fresh lemon on top of the quesadilla. I think we forget the sauce. Guys, if you Google Torta Ahogada Angel food truck, is one of the very famous, and you're very inside, and I go inside, it's very clean, very healthy food, and definitely Google it. Whatever there are, just go order the quesadilla, and especially this soup is so tasty, and quesadilla, burrito, you have a special burrito and different kind of drink, especially this one is so yum. And also the cook is so friendly. They offer every food for me. This is one of the famous Mexican drink. The people when coming here order burrito or quesadilla, whatever, and you're definitely get this one. What's that? Everything is perfect. It's really good. There's a lot of food. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with friends. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Bye.